Hiring is really, really, really hard. I've made so many mistakes over the years, but it is important. Accurate job descriptions should be listed on your site and in the job posting, including everything, range of pay, hours, skill needed. We ask all candidates to send a resume, cover letter, and references. And right there, you can screen out a lot because it's amazing how many will only send one of those. Well, if they can't follow this expectation, they probably don't deserve a second interview. References have to be from managers and bosses. Your best friend at your last job doesn't count. We always plan a minimum of 3 interviews. The first one is a phone, and then ideally 2 in-person interviews with different staff present, so you get different points of view. Have standardized questions. There are some great online resources where you can come up with really good questions to ask candidates. I have not done personality testing in my hiring. I don't particularly like those, but a lot of people do, and so consider those. Hiring agencies are very, very expensive, but you can consider those. Keep in mind, and this has served me well over the years, you can train the right person to have certain skills, but you cannot train personality traits such as maturity and honesty. Those aren't likely going to change. So if you get somebody who you feel their personality fits well with your spa, consider hiring them and teaching them what they need to know. Have an initial 4 to 8 week trial period and make this very well known from the start. They can cut bait and leave without any explanation, and you can do the same. Trust your gut. An okay hire is never going to be a good employee. And when you do make a mistake, let them go as early as you possibly can.